319 million coins destroyed in 1 week. Yes, 319 million. And if this continues, that means we might be burning about 1.2 billion, okay, 1.28 billion in 30 days if this continues. And this is not really good. And I think Terra Classic's burning rate will continue to drop. Okay, we should expect more drop in the burning of Terra Classic. Okay, I'm so even surprised to see we are still burning over 300 million coins, because I was thinking maybe by now Terra Classic might be burning just 150 or 200 million in 1 week. But apart from that, Terra Classic is still burning more coins than Shiba Inu. I know Shiba Inu have millions of supporters, but look at Terra Classic, because as of 2 days ago, Shiba Inu was able to destroy just 44 million coins, okay, 2 days ago. And for me, a coin like Shiba Inu, I've expected this coin to be burning billions. So in terms of burning, it is not easy for any coin, not just Terra Classic, okay, in terms of destroying or reducing supply or circulating supply. Most coins always find it difficult to burn coins, especially Terra Classic. Especially Shiba Inu, okay? But for me, Terra Classic has been trying, yes. If you check, they have been burning billions of Terra Classic coins, almost hitting close to 74 billion bonds. Now, take a look at Shiba Inu. Apart from just this recent change and recent idea of using tax bond and increasing the tax bond higher than that of Terra Classic, you see Shiba Inu started burning most coins. So for me, I think Terra Classic are even trying in terms of burning, but just that the market volume is affecting Terra Classic and the market cap is also affecting Terra Classic. But in terms of burning, for me, Terra Classic are trying compared to other crypto coins. If you compare it to other crypto coins, for me, I think Terra Classic are really trying. But apart from that, let's see how it goes before the end of the year. Let's see, because our target for now is Terra Classic to go above 100 billion bonds, which we are yet to. And I hope Wells can help in terms of burning Terra Classic coins. They can help in terms of help in burning Terra Classic coins. And even Binance founder, I still hope that CZ himself can also offer to destroy maybe 10% or 20% of his holding. But I'm not seeing that coming. But the truth is, let's keep hoping. But for me, like I said, in the next 2 months, that is when Luna will determine if Terra Classic will continue to rise, because I'm seeing Terra Classic losing more community, more holders within the next 2 months if nothing is done. And let's hope for the best. Kindly subscribe, turn on notification in order not to miss our next videos. And once again, happy weekend.